very nice nature, and it's also pleasing to see that the nature has been preserved so pristinely. Especially the one on rhinos, the way it is preserved, that's an example in the world, which can be emulated by the others.
Any comment on the India-Bangladesh relationship?
No comment now, because I'm in the jungle now.
Important talk with
let
Assam
us-
police from
let-
your side. Important talk.
Let us now enjoy the nature.
Sir, any special meeting between India and Bangladesh border?
In border issue of Indian Bangladesh.
You see, we have one of the largest borders between the two countries, India and Bangladesh. There are always issues which we amicably solve, because we are two friendly nations, and we solve all the issues through discussions amicably. And you know, it's a ritual that we follow, that at the DG level we meet twice a year. So the last time we had the meeting in Dhaka, so this time we are having it here, and they go ahead.
Sir, the issue is already resolved, or it's still in the position of discussion?
In fact, there is no unresolved issues between the two border guarding forces. All the issues are solved, no problem.
Will Bangladesh and India friendship will continue?
Thank you so much.
Definitely, in the years to come.
So, whatever our cultures are, you have already experienced. Our cultures.
You see, the cultures are the same between the two countries. We share boundaries, the cultures, the food, everything is the same. There's no difference between the culture of Assam and the culture of Bangladesh, especially the northern part of Bangladesh.
নতুন বছর আসছে কি বলবেন?
আপনাদের সকলকে শুভ নববর্ষ, এবং আগামী বছর বাংলাদেশের 50তম স্বাধীনতার 50তম বার্ষিকী, সেই উপলক্ষেও আপনাদের সকলকে শুভেচ্ছা।
ধন্যবাদ স্যার।